Hi guys, your local LCA here, Tyler Pearson at Scordella's Chiropractic. Today we're going to be talking about foam rolling using the Rollga, the best foam roller out there for rolling over your muscles, not your bones. If you've been in the office recently, you hear me talk about it a lot. If you haven't been, we're going to be showing you a little demonstration on how to use this Rollga to roll out your glutes. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the foam roller and you're going to sit on the two bumps in the center. You're going to straighten your legs out, and let's say you want to target your right glute. What you're going to do, you're going to cross your right leg over your left, just like so. You're gonna bend your left leg, so now you're kind of in a half pigeon position. Then you're gonna turn your body over to your right. You're gonna use your left leg to drive yourself up and down along with your arm to stabilize yourself. This is gonna allow you to actually get a nice targeting on that glute, being able to go up and down. And let's say just from this little rotation over, you're not getting enough, you can go even lower and get a little bit more pressure on it. What I recommend doing this for about 30 seconds to a minute, 3 times a day. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, come into the office and we can always chat about it.